Once, in the heart of a verdant valley surrounded by misty mountains, lay the small village of Eldoria. The villagers were simple folk, living off the land and caring for each other. Among them was a humble woodcutter named Cedric, known for his kindness and unwavering honesty. Cedric lived a modest life, his days spent in the forest, gathering wood to sell in the market. One crisp autumn morning, as Cedric was chopping wood, he heard a faint cry for help. He followed the sound and found an elderly man trapped under a fallen tree. With great effort, Cedric freed the man and offered him some water. The old man, with a twinkle in his eye, thanked Cedric and revealed himself to be an ancient wizard named Elrion. "You have a good heart, Cedric," Elrion said, his voice gentle but powerful. "I wish to grant you a wish for your kindness." Cedric thought for a moment. He didn't desire riches or power. "I wish for wisdom," he said, "so that I may always do what is right." Elrion smiled and placed his hand on Cedric's head. "Your wish is granted. Use it well." Days turned into weeks, and Cedric felt no different. He continued his simple life, helping his neighbors and living honestly. However, he noticed that he was making better decisions, understanding people's needs, and solving problems with ease. The villagers started seeking his advice, and Cedric became a beloved figure in Eldoria. One harsh winter, a famine struck the village. Food was scarce, and people were desperate. Cedric, using his newfound wisdom, gathered the villagers and suggested a plan. They would share their food equally, ensuring everyone had enough to survive. Some grumbled, but most agreed, trusting Cedric's judgment. As winter dragged on, the villagers grew closer, supporting each other through the hardship. Cedric's plan worked, and no one went hungry. The sense of community and mutual support blossomed, making Eldoria stronger than ever. Spring arrived, and the village celebrated their survival. Elrion returned, smiling at the sight of the happy, thriving village. He approached Cedric and said, "You have used your wisdom well, my friend. Remember, true wisdom is not just knowing what is right, but doing it and inspiring others to do the same." Cedric nodded, understanding the depth of Elrion's words. He realized that the greatest wisdom lay in kindness, honesty, and the strength of a united community. From that day on, Cedric continued to live by these principles, and Eldoria flourished. The villagers, inspired by Cedric's example, built a statue in his honor, reminding future generations of the simple woodcutter who taught them the power of wisdom and unity. And so the tale of Cedric the Wise lived on, teaching that the true measure of wisdom is found in how we treat others and work together in times of need.